Hi guys, it's Sophia, back with a tutorial on 3 ways to get bigger, fuller looking lips using some effortless contouring hacks. First, natural contour. I just love this look for daytime. To start, I'm following Jemima's natural lip line with Pillow Talk Lip Cheat in Fair and ever so slightly overlining to define the shape, the bottom lip and the cupid's bow. Next, I'll apply Pillow Talk Kissing Lipstick, also in Fair. This has such a gorgeous satin finish. Then I'm going in with a lip brush to enhance the lip line and perfect that velvet-like result. The second way to achieve fuller looking lips is what I call deep contour. I'm using the same overlining technique, but this time with the original Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. This slightly deeper shade creates a more dramatic effect. It's perfect for dinner dates or drinks. Again, I'm swiping on Pillow Talk Kissing Lipstick in Fair. The contrast with the liner will really amplify the illusion of fuller looking lips. Lastly, I adore using Charlotte's Big Lip Plumpgasm to add gloss, shine and definition to the lips. It creates a 3D effect that looks so stunning for day, night and everywhere in between. And that's it. 3 ways to cheat bigger, fuller looking lips effortlessly. Let me know which you'll be trying out and make sure you watch my Kate Moss Pillow Talk tutorial to learn how to recreate the full look.